Hello and welcome. We have a great one for you today. In this video, we are not only giving you dividend stocks that yields 4% or more, we're giving you dividend stocks with sustainable high yield, dividend stocks with reasonable payout ratio, reasonable total return, which includes dividend payout and stock appreciation, that matches or beats the S&P 500, and dividend stocks with growing dividend. With these stocks, you don't have to worry about yield traps as most of these stocks are tried and tested. Some of them are even dividend aristocrats, which are companies that has grown their dividend for 25 years or more. To show respect and appreciation of your time, let's get right to it. Disclaimer: this are all my opinions and not to be considered financial advice. Number 12. Verizon, ticker symbol VZ. Verizon is an American wireless network operator. They have a market cap of $224.92 billion. Current price $53.83. So, what is Verizon's yield? Verizon has a high yield of 4.78%. For investors, that's 64 cents a share a month or $2.56 share a year. Verizon has a high payout ratio of 46.94%. And they've grown their dividend for 17 years. According to 9 analysts, Verizon has a forecasted target high price of $68 and an average of $60.44. The analysts are split between 4 buy and 5 holds. Number 11. Philip Morris International Inc., ticker symbol PM. PM is a multinational cigarette and tobacco manufacturing company. They have a market cap of $173.43 billion. Current price $111.61. So, what is PM's yield? Philip Morris has a high yield of 4.47%. For investors, that's $1.25 a share a month or $5 share a year. Philip Morris has a high payout ratio of 80%. And they've grown their dividend for 13 years. According to 5 analysts, Philip Morris has a forecasted target high price of $115 and an average of $111.60. The analysts are split between 4 buy and 1 hold. Number 10. Realty Income Incorporation. Ticker symbol O. This one needs no introduction, and you know my love for this monthly REIT. They have a market cap of $38.01 billion. Current price $66.63. So, what is Realty's yield? Realty Income has a high yield of 4.39%. For investors, that's 25 cents a share a month or $2.96 share a year. Realty Income has a high payout ratio of 223.73%. But keep in mind, REITs are required by law to pay 90% of their taxable income out to shareholders. And they've grown their dividend for 25 years. Which makes they a dividend aristocrat. According to 9 analysts, Realty Income has a forecasted target high price of $80 and an average of $76.25. The analysts are split between 5 buy and 4 holds. Number 9. Gilead Sciences Incorporated. Ticker symbol GILD. GILD is a biopharmaceutical company. They have a market cap of $76.88 billion. Current price $61.05. So, what is GILD's yield? GILD has a high yield of 4.76%. For investors, that's 73 cents a share a quarter or $2.92 share a year. GILD has a payout ratio of 38.96%. And they've grown their dividend for 10 years. According to 19 analysts, GILD has a forecasted target high price of $90 and an average of $74.88. The analysts are split between 10 buys and 9 holds. Number 8. Pinnacle West Capital Corporation. Ticker symbol PNW. PNW is a utility holding company. They have a market cap of $7.76 billion. Current price of $68.92. So, what is PNW's yield? PWN has a high yield of 4.94%. For investors, that's 85 cents a share a quarter or $3.40 a share a year. PWN has a payout ratio of 65.8%. And they've grown their dividend for 10 years. According to 7 analysts, PWN has a forecasted target high price of $80 and an average of $70.43. The analysts are split between 1 buy and 5 holds and 1 sell. Number 7. International Business Machines. Ticker symbol IBM. IBM is an American multinational technology corporation. They have a market cap of $112.07 billion. Current price of $124.35. So, what is IBM's yield? IBM has a high yield of 5.25%. For investors, that's $1.64 a share a quarter or $6.56 a share a year. IBM has a payout ratio of 65.8%. And they've grown their dividend for 22 years. According to 14 analysts, IBM has a target height price of $185 and an average price target of $147.23. Analysts are split between 6 buys, 6 holds, and 2 sells. Videos like this are very hard to make, but I started the channel because it was the kind of video I wanted to see myself. Something I can listen to and take notes while on the train. Or something I can listen to while driving or working out. You can hear it like a podcast or on your drive to work. We are getting views, but most of our viewers are not subscribing. So we want to implore you to please encourage us with your like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps the channel out by telling the YouTube algorithm that Wealth Listicles and its viewers love videos like this. Please do us a superb favor and like and subscribe and click the notification bell. We'll give you a moment to like and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's move on. Number 6. Exxon Mobil. Ticker symbol XOM. Exxon Mobil is an American multinational oil and gas corporation. They have a market cap of $331.62 billion. Current price of $77.36. So, what is Exxon Mobil's yield? Exxon Mobil has a high yield of 4.5%. For investors, that's 88 cents a share a quarter or $3.52 a share a year. Prudential has a payout ratio of 64.87%. And they've grown their dividend for 1 year. According to 11 analysts, XOM has a forecasted target high price of $105 and an average of $84.28. The analysts are split between 9 buys and 9 holds. Number 5. Prudential Financial. Ticker symbol PRU. Prudential Financial is an insurance company. They have a market cap of $42.99 billion. Current price of $114.07. So, what is Prudential's yield? Prudential has a high yield of 4.2%. For investors, that's $1.20 a share a quarter or $4.80 a share a year. Prudential has a payout ratio of 30.96%. Great room to raise the dividend. And they've grown their dividend for 8 years. According to 11 analysts, Prudential has a forecasted target high price of $131 and an average of $114.91. The analysts are split between 0 buys and 9 holds and 2 sells. Number 4. Lyondell Industries NV, ticker symbol LYB. Liondell is a multinational chemical company. They have a market cap of $33.36 billion. Current price of $99.84. So, what is Lyondell's yield? Lyondell has a high yield of 4.48%. For investors, that's $1.13 a share a quarter or $4.52 a share a year. Liondell Industries has a payout ratio of 26.46%. Great room to raise the dividend. And they've grown their dividend for 8 years. According to 15 analysts, LYB has a forecasted target high price of $135 and an average of $111.07. The analysts are split between 6 buys and 9 holds. Number 3. Edison International. Ticker symbol EIX. Edison International is a public utility holding company based in Rosemead, California. They have a market cap of $22.89 billion. Current price of $59.94. So what is Edison International's yield? Edison International has a high yield of 4.65%. For investors, that's 70 cents a share a quarter or $2.80 a share a year. Edison International has a payout ratio of 57.48%. And they've grown their dividend for 17 years. According to 8 analysts, Edison has a forecasted target high price of $82 and an average of $71.38. The analysts are split between 4 buys and 4 holds. If you've gotten value from this video so far, please find it in you to give us a like, press the notification bell, and give us your golden gift of subscribing. None of these things cost you anything. Just your special way of encouraging me to give you more content like this. Please don't leave us without subscribing. Thank you. Now let's move on. Number 2. Abbvie Inc. Ticker symbol ABBV. This stock needs no introduction. Abbvie is a biopharmaceutical company giant founded in 2013. They have a market cap of $256.29 billion. Current price of $144.03. So what is Abbvie's yield? Abbvie has a high yield of 3.89%. For investors, that's $1.41 a share a quarter or $5.64 a share a year. Abbvie has a payout ratio of 41.81%, and they've grown their dividend for 8 years. According to 19 analysts, Abbvie has a forecasted target high price of $180 and an average of $149.76. The analysts are split between 15 buys and 4 holds. Number 1. Chevron Corporation, ticker symbol CVX. This company needs no introduction. They are a multinational energy corporation. They have a market cap of $257.68 billion. Current price of $133.42. So what is Chevron's yield? Chevron has a high yield of 4.23%. For investors, that's $1.42 a share a quarter or $5.68 a share a year. Chevron has a payout ratio of 65.31%. And they've grown their dividend for 6 years. According to 16 analysts, Chevron has a forecasted target high price of $166 and an average of $143.29. The analysts are split between 12 buys and 4 holds. That's it. We just can't list them all. Remember, all we do is bring you the lists for entertainment. It is your duty to do your own due diligence and/or consult an expert and invest your hard-earned money wisely. Please don't leave us without smashing the like button and give us a subscribe. Think of it as a tip for my hard work. I will greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer: please note that I showcased these stocks for educational purposes only and shouldn't be taken as investment advice. I don't personally own all these stocks, just some. Please do your own due diligence and/or consult your expert investment advisor, as more fundamental analysis may be needed before investing. Please also note that the past performance of these stocks does not guarantee or indicate similar future performance.